Hi, welcome to Kasper on BI. On this show, we're going to talk about everything analytics. Of course, we'll be heavily skewed around Power BI. I'm a Microsoft employee. I work on the Power BI team. So we'll do a lot of Power BI, the ins and outs, what's going on, what is new. But we'll also talk about the ecosystem around it. The data warehouse, the lake house, data engineering, how do we get data in, security, a lot of things that are out there. The main thing is I'm not doing it myself. I'm inviting experts on the channel and we're going to have a discussion. We're going to learn from them. And these experts can be MVPs, Microsoft employees, customers, practitioners, all kinds of people on the channel that we want to have this discussion with. And the main goal is to learn for me, but also hopefully for you. So with that, I hope you'll enjoy the channel. Subscribe to get the notifications when all the new episodes will come. And I hope and I wish you a lot of learning. See you there.